The Nubian Alpha from afar looks more like a bracelet made in a type of screen concept very 2019. It has a screen that is flexible and wraps around the user's wrist. It also indicates the time, but it is not supposed to look like a smartwatch. The concept here is much more important than the details. This device has a watch band, like a standard watch, but the screen spills down and around these arms. This screen, which would normally be relegated to the front face, is now also down around the front and up around the back. Nubia has not shown much about how the operating system will look. We have seen for the first time what the final product will look like in real life. The cameras and sensors to the right and / or to the left of the screen are large, without trying to hide at all. A couple of hardware buttons rest on the right side of the front of the device. There is a single microphone hole, at least one microphone for videos and for connection with the intelligent assistant software. Nubia suggests that this device has a OLED screen of 192 × 960 pixels that is flexible and has multi-touch touchscreen capabilities. The screen was manufactured by Visionox, and is not covered by glass, but by polyamide, a heat-resistant polymer.